Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be talking about 8 early pregnancy symptoms. 1. Missed period. Missing one's period may mean that your uterus is busy preparing for your growing baby and therefore the uterine lining is not shed. 2. Constipation. As one of the physiological changes during pregnancy includes slower motility of the gut, pregnant women may experience constipation. It is best to ensure adequate consumption of fluid and fiber during pregnancy. 3. Nausea and vomiting. The hormonal variation during pregnancy cause many changes in the gut, and therefore causing nausea and vomiting. 4. Food cravings. Pregnant women can sometimes develop an aversion to food that they usually consume and a craving to food that they don't usually eat. 5. Stuffy nose. Women may experience nasal stuffiness due to estrogen causing increased secretion of nasal mucus. A nasal saline spray can be helpful and safe to relieve such symptoms. 6. Fatigue. Fatigue during the early stages of pregnancy is common. As your body prepares for the growth of a little one, you may experience an increased need to sleep. 7. Breast tenderness and enlargement. Breast ducts are enlarging at this stage to prepare for milk production. As a result, breast tenderness can occur. 8. Dry eyes. Pregnancy hormones may affect amount of tears secretion by the lacrimal glands resulting in dry eyes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.